Insurance. Great bus. So you have to do that. You got balls.
Trolley in. Yeah. You can see this one coming.
How do you feel, Joe?
I feel different. I feel right, Sarah.
I'd run, but I really can't be honest. Plus, the camera would be even worse than it is. Okay, I'm gonna race. Alright. The one in the pink and grey stripy t-shirt is called Sophie. The one with the stupidly red hair is called Joe. Yeah. Now I'm gonna have to run. Sophie's the winner.
I'm not even bothered, yo. I'm not even bothered.
Joe, how'd you feel about your loss?
I feel great shit. I'm sorry.
Well, imagine, you lost.
Yeah, well, I'm bothered though. I'm going to go and trolley home. I'll see you later. Bailey.
And so they both rode off into the night. Or shall I say, into a wall until they were both heavily concussed with severe brain damage. That's it from me. Bye-bye.